Pasidulog na sa daan sa tuwing Naglaan at bayan kung kanino Natibok ang isla sa Cebu, isim ka O kisayaw ka agi sa tumang kamaya Magrudya ka ta, magkuyog ka Sa ulugong kapistahan sa balaan nga bata Maglugong tanawon, maglipay ta Sa kadalanan magtanon, magsinulog ka Pasidulog na sa daan sa tuwing Nailang takbayan tungkol kanino Tinatibok ang isla sa Cebu, isimba ka O kisayaw ka agi sa tumang kamaya Magrudya ka ta, magpuyog ka Sa ulugong kapistahan sa balaan nga bata Maglugong talang-awon, maglipay ta Sa kadalanan magpanunog, magsinulog ka
Sinulog sa Cebu, Philippines 2024. One Cebu Island is a celebration of the central figure and the very source of the Cebuanos' unity.
Running around in the city. Jose Palma, Governor Gwendolyn Garcia, Reverend Father Nelson Zerda, OSA, Secretary Cristina Garcia Blasco, Congresswoman Judy Del Mar, Congressman Ed Kurama, and Attorney Rico Ray Francis Coco Onganza. Cebu City Councilors, Honorable Pastor June Alcover, Honorable Nestor Archibald, Honorable Joel Garganera, Honorable Jerry Guardo, Honorable Edgar J. Labella II, Honorable Marian De Los Santos, Honorable Joy Agustos Young, Honorable Noel Wenceslao, the Honorable Jose Lorenzo DJ Abelganoza, Honorable James Anthony Cuenco, Honorable Francis Espanis, Honorable Ray Villalon, Honorable Donaldo Dondon Hontiveros, Honorable Jocelyn Joy Pesquera, Honorable Renato Giulio Osmeña, Honorable Quilin Zafra, Honorable Franklin Ong, and Honorable Rhea May Apostolem. Ladies and gentlemen, viva, 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 Pin Señor!
We're requesting all judges to please proceed on stage. Requesting all the judges to please proceed on stage for the announcement of winners for Sinulog sa Cebu, Philippines 2024.
quiet. We will be announcing the winners. And tomorrow, at exclusive sports complex, will be the awarding ceremony and the performance of the top winners. The awarding ceremony tomorrow will be here at the Grand Sale of the World Tenth City of SRT. Again, at Wikibaw sa Manan, na awarding ceremony umadapla. Alas 3 sa hapon, dire mahitabo sa SRT. I love Cebu! City officials led by Mayor Mike Lopez Rama to join us here on center stage together with First Lady Madam Malu Mandanat Rama. Of course, Vice Mayor Raymond Al. Second prize in the Gigante category goes to Rugs or Rags to Riches. And of course, the grand winner in the Gigante category goes to Gigante number 12, the Juana, after the first wedding. Congratulations to all our winners. We move on to the float category. Float category, third prize goes to the 65th anniversary float of IPI, or the International Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. Float number 26. Second prize, float category, goes to float number 13, M. Lilier's Bird Sanctuary. And the big winner in the float category, first prize, ladies and gentlemen, goes to float number 28, IPI main float. Karon, street dancing. Street dancing winners. And we have top 5. winners in this category, beginning with the 5th prize. And we only have one category, both for Sinulog based and free interpretation. 5th prize, Best in Street Dancing, goes to